Welcome back to Kelly Tech. Alright, I'm pretty stoked. So, I stop in every once in a while at, like Goodwills and used stores and look for certain, retro parts and stuff. So today, I found this. Pretty stoked. I like the classic Mario stuff. So this is right up my alley. Yeah, I thought something was wrong because it was in the dollar bin, and it says it right here, $8.98, but $1. So it doesn't work. I guess I'm not hurting. Let's see. Oh, it looks cool, guys. Oh, there's combinations. Oh, that's cool. So, okay, so here's your power. Oh, crap. Let's see if it came with a power cord. Oh, it looks like it did. Oh, that's awesome. It even has instructions. I think I got lucky on this one, guys. Probably pause and check that out if you want to. And yeah, maybe. Place any block on any base. Block will light up. Any block placed onto another block will light up. So it's very simple. Alright, so I got it plugged up. Oh, it looks like I got some light there. I think there would be a... Yeah. Yeah, it definitely works. Let's see. This is cool. I'm actually pretty stoked about this. Alright, let's turn off the lighting. Let's see if she goes. It works. It looks like we got a little issue over here. Something to fix. So, there's not much to it. Let's see if the one above it works better. Oh yeah. So I think it's just this one, this coin, that has issues. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, fixing this live. This one's broke. This one works. What is the difference? I really don't see a difference. So what we can do is we can stick a tiny screwdriver in there and just bow that out a little bit to make it tighter. And then just barely bend this little bar here. And it should fix the problem. Let's see. So, it's in such a tight little position, it would be very hard to bend that out. I do have some very small precision screwdrivers. Don't know if it's small enough though. It's a toughie. Let's see if that fixed our problem. Lights off. Alright. It's got a little pissed about it, don't it? I think we got it, guys. So, you can place them in any order to make any type of level. And on the sides they have them, so I'm sure there's a lot. So pretty cool. I am really stoked, guys. $1. And you seen the little chintzy repair I did. That was nice and easy. So super happy on this one. Let me turn the lights back on. So it goes to show you, you never know. You could stop in at a Goodwill, Value World, you know, any of those used shops, and you never know what you're going to get. I'm pretty happy with this one, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. And as always, have a tech day.